we are foreseeing a great victory, grand victory. And all the NDA leaders are going to be on the dais with our Honorable Prime Minister. It's high time this DMK government should be defeated. DMK should be defeated. India Alliance should be defeated because it is totally anti-Hindu sentiments. Even yesterday, High Court has strongly condemned Udayanidhi. You cannot crush Sanatan. And the people following them, if you are criticizing them, it's almost equal to genocide. So now they are feeling the heat of their anti-Hindu feeling. And not only that, women are not safe. Almost 11 ministers are facing the corruption charges. Even the Chennai development is far behind. Stalin told we will make Chennai into Singapore. Not Ur itself he has not made. So totally failed government, not fulfilled their manifesto promises. So it is high time people think that DMK government should go and NDA is for Tamil Nadu and it will be a great beginning for our NDA government.
Today Stalin has given a statement on governor that the governor first week of January should not happen hereafter and this needs to be taken out.
No, this is wrong. Democracy and according to constitution which was given to us by the great Ambedkar, it gives provision for the governor post and gives provision for the constitutional authority to governor, and they are so autocratic. They don't follow the central schemes. They don't respect the prime minister. They don't come and receive the prime minister, and they don't respect the governor. So they are not at all following all the constitutional offices, and they are violating all the laws according to the constitution. So this autocratic feeling it should be punished. And he is telling the governor address should not be there. But in Telangana, a public litigation was filed and court told governor address should be there. So it is highly condemnable. The DMK is going against the rules and laws and constitution. And this is the last period for them. Yet another 2 to 3 months they will rule, and definitely NDA will rule, and all the NDA leaders today coming and meeting our Honorable Piyush is highly encouraging, and Piyush staying here and meeting all the NDA leaders has given a great hope to us, and all the cadres are motivated. Tomorrow we foresee a grand function by our Honorable Prime Minister.
Last one question. TVK and MNM has given election commission has given a symbol for it. One is whistle and the battle light symbol for it. How do you see it?
Yeah, whistle, it will be liked by his fans than cadres. It's a fan symbol, then it's a political symbol. So let us see how this fan symbol is going to play. Already they are used for whistle during their films. So it is political field, it's not a film field. So let us see how it is going to help them.
Thank you.